Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to migrate your Squarespace website to WordPress. Step-by-step guide in 2025. Migrating from Squarespace to WordPress is a move many website owners consider when they seek more customization, control, and scalability. While Squarespace offers ease of use with beautiful templates, WordPress stands out with its flexibility, extensive plugin library, and cost effectiveness. This tutorial will walk you through how to smoothly transfer your Squarespace site to a self-hosted WordPress site in 2025, even if you have no technical background. Step 1. Understand what you are migrating. Before you begin the migration, it is important to know what will and won't easily transfer. What you can migrate: pages and blog posts, content, images, some SEO data with help from plugins. What you will likely need to recreate manually: design and layout, navigation menus, custom features, e-commerce functionality, shop, cart, checkout. Squarespace uses a proprietary structure, so migrating design elements exactly as they are won't be possible. But WordPress offers far greater design freedom once you're up and running. Step 2. Set up hosting and install WordPress. To use WordPress.org, the self-hosted version, you'll need a domain and web hosting. Choose a host. Popular hosting providers include Bluehost, SiteGround, Hostinger, WP Engine Premium, Insta Premium. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installs, making setup very simple. Steps: sign up for a hosting plan. Register or transfer your domain if it is currently managed by Squarespace. Use the hosting dashboard to install WordPress, usually a one-click process. Once installed, you can access your WordPress admin dashboard at yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Step 3. Choose a WordPress theme. Since your Squarespace design won't transfer, you will need to choose a new WordPress theme. Options: free themes from the WordPress repository, premium themes from marketplaces like ThemeForest or Elegant Themes, page builders like Elementor or Divi for drag and drop design. Step 4. Export content from Squarespace. Now it's time to export your content from Squarespace. Steps: 1. Go to Settings, Advanced. Import or export in your Squarespace dashboard. 2. Click Export. 3. Choose the WordPress option when prompted. This exports a .xml file. 4. Download the file to your computer. Limitations: this export will include blog posts, basic pages, image blocks, text blocks. It will not include product pages, event pages, album pages, video or audio blocks, custom CSS or scripts. Step 5. Import content into WordPress. Now import your Squarespace content into your WordPress site. Steps: 1. In WordPress, go to Tools, Import. 2. Find the WordPress option and click Install Now, if not already installed. 3. Click Run Importer. 4. Upload the .xml file you downloaded from Squarespace. 5. Assign post to an existing user or create a new one. 6. Check the box to import attachments. This helps import images. Wait for the import to finish. You will now see your content under Pages and Posts in WordPress. Step 6. Manually rebuild menus and layout. Your menu structure and page design won't transfer directly, so you will need to recreate them. Rebuild menus. 1. Go to Appearance, Menus. 2. Create a new menu, example, Main Menu. 3. Add your imported pages and arrange them. 4. Assign the menu to a theme location, example, Primary Menu. Rebuild layouts. Use your new themes feature or a page builder plugin like Elementor to design your homepage and other key pages. You can copy or paste content from your imported pages into the new layouts. Step 7. Migrate images and media. Images don't always migrate perfectly with the .xml file, so here are two options. Option 1. Use a plugin. Install auto-upload images or import external images to scan your post and import any missing images from Squarespace. Option 2. Manual upload. Download images from Squarespace manually. Upload them into media and view. Update each post or page to replace missing images. Step 8. Set up redirects and preserve SEO. To avoid losing traffic or SEO rankings, set up 301 redirects from your old Squarespace URLs to your new WordPress URLs. Steps. On Squarespace, go to Settings, Advanced, URL Mappings. Create redirect rules like old page URL, yourdomain.com/new-page-URL301. You can also use a WordPress plugin redirection to manage redirects after the migration. Bonus, install SEO plugins. Use Yoast SEO or Rank Math to control page titles, meta descriptions, and sitemap creation. Step 9. Rebuild contact forms and e-commerce if applicable. Contact forms. Install a form builder like WP Forms, Ninja Forms, Contact Form 7. Recreate any contact or inquiry forms from Squarespace. E-commerce. If your Squarespace site had a shop, you will need to rebuild it using WooCommerce in WordPress. Steps. 1. Install the WooCommerce plugin. 2. Add your products, categories, and pricing. 3. Set up payments gateway, PayPal, Stripe, etc. 4. Customize checkout and cart pages. Step 10. Customize and test your site. Now that your content is in place, you will want to refine everything before launch. Customize. Set your homepage. Settings, reading. Customize theme. Appearance, customize. Add widgets, sidebars, footer info. Install any additional plugins, social sharing, backups, caching. Test. Test all links and images. Check mobile responsiveness. Submit forms to ensure they work. Place a test order if you're using WooCommerce. Step 11. Point your domain to WordPress. If your domain is registered with Squarespace, transfer or update the DNS settings to point to your new host. Steps. 1. Log in to Squarespace and go to Settings, Domains. 2. Choose your domain and click DNS settings. 3. Update the A records and CNAME to match your new WordPress hosting provider's instructions. 4. Alternatively, transfer the domain to your hosting company and manage it from there. Step 12. Launch and promote your new site. After confirming everything works and looks great, it is time to go live. Final checklist. SSL certificate is installed. Your URL starts with HTTPS. Search engines can index the site. Settings. Reading. And check discourage search engines. Submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. Share the new site on social media, email lists, and business directories. Conclusion. Migrating your Squarespace website to WordPress in 2025 is a smart move for those seeking greater flexibility, customization, and long-term scalability. While the transition involves several steps, from exporting content and setting up hosting to rebuilding your design and setting up redirects, this guide walks you through the entire process with clarity and ease. Though you won't be able to carry over every design element, WordPress' robust ecosystem of themes and plugins gives you far more control over your site's functionality and appearance. By completing your migration, you are investing in a more dynamic platform that can grow with your business or creative projects. Once live, your new WordPress site will be easier to customize, optimize for SEO, and integrate with marketing and e-commerce tools. With patience and planning, your switch from Squarespace to WordPress will open the door to a more powerful and flexible web presence in 2025 and beyond. And that is all there is on how to migrate your Squarespace website to WordPress. Step-by-step guide in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in the next video. And hey, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.